I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural and we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Little doll babies, little doll babies. You're one of my little doll babies, and I really, really appreciate having you here. So today I'm doing a quick little styling and review of one of the synthetic hair accessories I have. This wig here is Noriko's Shilo in the color chestnut, which is like more red, but anyway. So what I thought we would do, just to be fun and like do a little contrast, is we're going to use this by Hairdo. It's called Pop. It's a thick braid headband, and it says to add style in a flash. Okay, and this headband is in the color chocolate copper, so R6/30H. I got it from wigs.com for $8.99, and then I had an additional 30% off. I know that it says chocolate copper. There's maybe a tiny bit of highlighting in here, but I don't see a ton. So the construction on this is it has sort of like these bra strappy things here, and then you can adjust this just like you would your bra strap. Okay, and then it also has this little fabric here because there is a, what's that called? There is some Velcro here if you wanted to use the Velcro so that it wouldn't stick, or if you're, you know, you wanted to tack it down or something. I'm gonna leave this on. I think it makes more sense like this because I don't want it to pull. I've adjusted it as far out as it can go. Now it can come off of here and you could just attach it in a different way if you needed to. But like when I'm having it on here and it's adjusted all the way out, it does feel kind of big. I'm sorry, not adjusted all the way out, adjusted as tight as it can be. It does feel kind of big. So I think it's really versatile. If you have a smaller head, I have an average head size. If you have a smaller head, it might not work the best for you, or you'd have to learn to attach it in a different way. So what I want to do is pull this up over. Okay, and then I'm going to pull some hair out. I'll just use my razor comb.
That's not what we were trying to do.
Pull some hair out. Then I'm actually going to do, I feel like I want to do like maybe a little ponytail as well. What do we think? I actually want to try out this other one, which is called the it's a hairdo. It's called Colorsplash Wrap, and it's brown, and then it has these red and copper highlights in it. And the name of this one is, color of it is R6/30H. It's called Red Wine. It says it's chocolate copper, red wine / medium red brown to red brown. And I took it out of the plastic, and I don't know where I set it for right now. So I feel like this one was a little bit more expensive, maybe like $17.99 with like 30% off. It was $10.95, and then I would have got 30 or 40% off from the outlet. I think on the regular site they're like $17.99. But I feel like I want to do just like something down low so we can cover up this braid, you know, so that's not, and sort of keep it secure. So if we put the Colorsplash thing here, it'll keep the braid from slipping anywhere. So it's just like a stretchy do, and I'm not doing anything fancy. I never really do. Like sometimes, but not often. And so I'm just going to use this like I normally would a scrunchie, pulling the hair through. And then I'm actually just gonna fold it over the actual wig hair. Yeah, to give it a bun, just a low bun. I like to sort of pull the hairs a little bit on the wig just so they don't lay like weirdly flat. And then I might actually pin this. Yeah, let's pin this. That'll also secure the braid. So I'm just gonna pin it up a little bit. I'm gonna take your bobby pins. When I use the bobby pins, I actually try to, if it's a wefted cap, I actually try to get the bobby pins like right into the wefts of the cap, because then that also secures, just secures things. And I'm not trying to make this look like super coiffed, so I am making it a little bit messy on purpose, because I just want it to look a little effortless. Let's see what that's all about. Yeah, it just lifts it up a little bit, and then you have these tendrils. And then to make sure that the bangs are not in my face, I'm gonna spray. There's my round brush. Yeah, I just want to accentuate these a little bit. Sometimes when you're wearing a wig, I think it's really important to have like tendrils down, and to pull down so that you can't see the ear tab. So I pull some of these a little bit loose on purpose for that reason. And then we're gonna spray her. Don't let them spray us. If you know what movie that's from, put it down below. Like, I'll legit give you a prize if you remember what "Don't Let Them Spray Us" is from. And it's actually one of my next tattoos. So I'm just spraying this just to keep it. And yeah, so let's look at her from all sides. So this is what the two accessories together end up looking at like. Tutorial using some of the synthetic wig accessories. And yeah, if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. If there's maybe a particular style or a particular thing you would like me to do with a wig in terms of styling, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!